First things first, I appreciate your support. I am back. Tough. This is a tough one. This machine needs a new drum. See what's happening here. The paddle came out. All the hooks broke. So the machine is in operation without the paddle. There are 3 of them. One is out. So what the machine is doing is tearing up clots, blockage after blockage. This client gave me a call, it was 3 days ago, that her machine was giving a 5C error code, so it was not draining water. So I realized the reason for that is the machine is swallowing clots, tearing up clots, so they end up in the drain hose, the filter, and the machine won't drain water. So she was like, just unblock, service it, we will manage for now as we plan. We've been doing this for like a year or so. And I was like, no, this machine will give you issues because it will be tearing clots, blockage after blockage. So that was like 3-4 days ago. So she called me today. The machine won't dry clots, it's giving a 5C error code. You see, another torn cloth. You cannot operate a front loader washing machine without the paddles. That drum becomes rough, and there's no shortcut to this. You have to order for a new drum because the paddles are plastic and they have hooks. So those hooks come out and there's nothing you can do about that. If you try to use wires, you're just making it worse. It's quite unfortunate because this is a direct drive washer. It's quite expensive. It's a washer dryer combo. Just 7.5 kg washer dryer. Tough for this client because no shortcut. A new drum is needed. The metallic drum. Quite unfortunate, but it happens. So if you have a machine with a loose paddle, just know this is where you're headed to. And if you have one that has a missing paddle, plan to get a drum, hand wash as you wait, or you'll have to dispose the machine because why should you lose clots because of a machine that is tearing clots? It's unfortunate. I'll be sharing more tips and findings I get on machines I work on daily.